We are at about 11,000 feet, maybe 11,100 feet, a little below the summit of Marble Peak in what's known as the Fridge. And there's a really nice inviting slope of new snow above me, and then that snow is gone. I'm standing at the crown of what seems to have been a skier-triggered slide. It looks like 3 skiers or 2 skiers and a snowboarder, not sure, skied this slope, and it looks like the first or second skier triggered a slide that's several hundred feet wide, maybe 500 feet wide. Sounds like a lot, but it breaks behind me and then it runs across the face of the peak. The debris went down several hundred feet. It does not look like anybody was caught. And it's a very soft slab here, just about 8 to 10 inches, maybe a little more in places thick. This is Thursday night snow. Looking across the crown of the slide where it propagated across a rib and down into a whole nother slope, and the debris ran out down to those trees there.